To cut the Memphis shape, and yeah, that's that jug band stuff. That's a whole different realm of music. Kind of jazz and blues and a little country combined, and basically born out of poverty because musicians use rather rudimentary instruments because they couldn't afford the good stuff. So you got jugs and washboards and that sort of thing, but some of it can be quite good. That was called the Memphis Shake and Dixieland Jug Blowers. Also, who's sorry now, Harry James and his band, and Willie Smith doing vocals on that. We heard from him earlier with Billy Mays' band too. And Keep a Song in Your Soul was Duke Ellington and his orchestra, and we talked about that last week where they use white singers during the Depression on a lot of these records. So that was 1931, and Chick Bullock was the vocalist there. It is 15 minutes past the hour. We're going to do a quick Len Miller broadcast. It's, I don't know whether you're about 13 minutes, so it's supposed to be 15, but with the commercial time allowed. But anyway, so we got a few songs here from Len Miller's band.